How to personalize Smart Toilet. Step 1. Adjust nozzle to your comfortable position. You can choose positions of the washing nozzle. Step 2. Adjust water pressure with buttons. Choose from 4 water pressure levels to suit your needs. Step 3. Adjust seat temperature by continuing to press the button. Choose from 4 levels, including no heating. Step 4. Set the drying temperature by continuing to press the button. Choose between cool air or heated options, 40, 50, or 55 Celsius degrees. Step 5. Adjust water temperature by continuing to press the button. Choose between 34, 37, 40 Celsius degrees or room temperature. Step 6. Store your settings under one of 2 user profiles for instant access every time. Learn more at shopcleanwave.com.